back from vacation, eager to start working on this S-15 mini truck project. We're gonna start trying to fix all the issues, problems, whatever. I'm trying to print Mr. Gasket 6400, which they no longer make. It allows you to use a regular air filter with a 5 1/8 inch neck for the Rochester 210 dual jet. So we're gonna print that. Ordered some air filter type stuff. Do that. I got some shims for the starter. It's 105 degrees today, so I don't know if I'm doing it today, but I might set up the tent, get sweaty, and get into it tomorrow. So we'll see. But already had one messed up print, so added some more glue to the plate. Hopefully this will print better. So those are all the supports I need to break out. Looks like it printed okay. We'll see. Not perfect. The file said it might need a little sanding to fit, but let's go see. A little tight. It's a little tight there, but I think that might smash down. Oh. Nope. Took off this one. Let me go get the air filter and stuff I'm using, or gonna try to use. That's the dumb shit I'm trying. even. I don't think these even fit. So that's fun. These don't fit. You. Yeah, this adapter doesn't fit. Awesome. This is the stupidity I want to run. I got purple air filters since the truck used to be purple. Looks like they'll fit. I gotta go get a straight piece, 5/8 by 16 of all thread to actually hold this on. So I gotta run the Ace or something. At least it looks cool. I don't know if it'll help, but fuck it. Ace for all thread. 3-foot piece, all threaded lows, 5/8 by, or 5/16 by 18. I'm gonna cut this down real quick. Got the all thread in. I'm gonna grab a marker, mark that right there, cut that down short, make sure it doesn't hit the hood. All right, hood seems to shut, so that's good. Don't know if it's sealed per se, but I think I don't know. Tilts back a little bit when you tighten it. I don't know. Starter is the next problem. I don't see it. I gotta climb under there and shim that starter. It sounds terrible.
Battery's dead, I think. Jesus Christ. Cool.
All right, got under the truck to see if I needed straight and or offset shims, and I only had one starter bolt. Ran to Advanced Auto. They had a kit that has 3, so I'm hoping the shorter one's the one that works. So wish me luck. I'm gonna try it without shims and see if that works. It's also 1,000 degrees. I'm using the fan. Deal with the audio. All right, turns out it was the shortest bolt. So they're both in. I'm gonna try to start it with no shims and see what happens. Fuck, it's hot. In case it falls. Oh, I got the negative terminal off. Let's put that back on. Felt like that was the right thing to do, fucking with the starter.
It's not tight, but it's on there. Come on, no grinding, please. No grinding. Hell yeah. Fixed. Fuck you. Yes. Washers or spacers. I love it. Running it. Running it. Another AutoZone special. I'm going to hopefully pull this line out, throw this in as a breather. Well, we're gonna call that good, even though it's hitting the brake booster line, but still better than this sticking out. I gotta cap that off just in case. Yeah, start putting tools away. It's too fucking hot. I'm dying.
Okay. Battery's dead, I think. Okay.
What is it?
Armenian cucumber. They're delicious.
Yeah. First day back from vacation. Starter sound is fixed. I think it still could probably use a shim, but you could hear the difference. It's drastic. That makes me feel better. And the fact that there was only one bolt in, fuck that. That's fixed. New air filter. You know, hot rod-ish, Civic-ish, stupid-ish for a V6, whatever. Looks cool. Got to use my 3D printer. I'm digging it. So 2 things fixed on a 105-degree day. I'll take that any day. I think up next I'm going to patch some of those holes in the floor, probably at night when it's not blistering hot. Patch those 2 bigger holes, grind that all down, get rid of as much of the rust as I can. I ordered some rust encapsulator from Eastwood. I'm going to throw that down. So that'll be the next video. Then I'm either going to clean the seats I have or stop at the junkyard or Facebook Marketplace. I'd love a bench seat. Newt's dying because it's hot. Maybe a bench seat if I can find one on Marketplace. The closest one I found is 2 hours away up in Pennsylvania. I may go get that. because when I take the top off, I want everything to be smooth. I don't want a headrest there for the look. So yeah, then I'm gonna order the electric choke parts, see if that helps with keeping it running. Then I got to get under and start checking the transmission to, you know, loose bushings, bad seals, whatever. Try to drive it around, see if I can get it to not cut off again. So let me know what you think. Have a good one.